Hi Jack, this is Michaela. I just got off the phone with you a little bit ago, and as mentioned, here's just a quick video. Going to go over your website with you, show you different ways that Google looks for ranking different websites along their Google platform, as well as discuss your overall online presence. So to start, I do have a background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three specific aspects when ranking websites along that Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important factor, is going to be content. So content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. And as you can see, there's like zero text on your homepage right now. So let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as your #1 search result. Why is that? Well, it's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds content-rich sites and naturally starts moving them up the rankings. So after doing some research of some competition in your area, as well as knowing how much Google loves content, I'm going to recommend you have between 1,000 and 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. This is going to help you both beat out your competition who are currently ranking for not as much content, as well as help you get found by Google when they do that sweep of the internet. With that said, on every additional service that you offer, we recommend that you have your own page on your website for that. So for instance, have your own page for carpet cleaning, have your own page for tile and grout, hardwood cleaning, furniture and upholstery, area rug, mattress, and let me tell you why that's so important. So with every new page we add, we're going to add between 750 to 1,000 words of content. And what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? The more we have, the easier it's going to be for them just to grab us and move us. It's also going to help you be the leader of content in your area, allowing it to be pretty impossible for people to beat you without adding several web pages to their website as well. So that's going to add content to your site. It's also going to allow us to appropriately place service-specific keywords that are getting searched a lot in your area on those pages, allowing Google to point back to you on several different search platforms. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This here is Ahrefs, and it just kind of gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And I see you're getting 30 people coming to your website every month, which is a decent amount of traffic, but people in Colombia that are really killing it and doing really well with leads are getting well over 100 people coming to their to their website every month. So let's have a look at your keywords and see how you're doing there. You're ranking pretty well for 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 keywords. And so you're getting a good amount of traffic, but again, the more content you have, every time someone searches carpet cleaning, let's see, South Carolina carpet cleaning, or Columbia, South Carolina carpet cleaning, if that exact phrase is in the content on your site, then Google is going to be able to find you. As you can see, not too many people are searching that term, so it's not a great keyword for you. Our job would be to find you good amounts. So like carpet cleaning Columbia here has 200 search volume every month, and you're getting 14 people from that every month. So I would say that was a great keyword for you, and you're ranking appropriately for that. But for some of these others that are higher volume, you're way down the list. And so our job would be to help you find good keywords to rank for and tell you how to appropriately put those within your website. So next, let's look at this UR and DR. UR is directly related to citations, and a citation, if I bring you here to the Google map, is anywhere that a business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp in Yellow Pages. I see that you have quite a few because you're up to 27 here on the UR. But what we want to do is keep adding citations. There's hundreds and thousands of them out there. The more citations you have and are a part of, the higher up this ranking you're going to go until you get to a top position. Because from the get-go, these 3 competitors are going to have the most business just based on visibility alone. So getting our name and information in front of as many people as possible is going to be key to getting new customers in your door. So definitely work at getting more citations here and building that up. Lastly, let's talk about DR. DR is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. And a backlink is anywhere that your business's website is linkable and clickable on another business website. So think Angie's List and HomeAdvisor.com. Those are two really good websites because they're trusted by Google as well as have a lot of traffic. So getting good referring domains to host our backlink is going to throw a lot of that influence that they have on their site and point it back to ours. The more influence we have pointing back to us is going to cause this DR number to go up. So websites and different businesses in your area that are doing really well have high UR, high DR, and high organic keywords, resulting in high traffic in your website. So get those 3 things ironed out, as well as the addition of content on your website, and break all of these services down into their own page, and you're going to be an unstoppable force and have more leads than you know what to do with. Well, I hope you found this information helpful. Send me a quick email. Tell me what you thought about this video. I would greatly appreciate it. But for now, that's all I have. Have a wonderful day, and I will be in touch soon. Bye-bye.